Welcome to my channel Anita Krishna. Today we are discussing about in human values and professional ethics. In that topic we are discussing process of value education. In previous class we are discussing about the basic guidelines of value education and also need for understanding for value education, meaning and objective also we are discussing in previous videos. But today that is very important topic, that is process of value education. The process is very basic, important for that is to going on exploration of anything. Like that in value education is also the process is very important for us. To look into that, value education should drive a person that is toward self-exploration. That is first basic thing. Why? Because the value education drive a person towards the self-exploration. That is the inner values, what we are followed to daily life. That is the self-exploration. We have to move into the society. In that time we have to look into the what we are. That is the self-exploration. That is the main process of the value education to drive a person, that is the towards the self-exploration. The process of self-exploration has to be in the form of dialogues. That is the self-exploration we want to talk about in the society and other people, that is they are thinking about what you are. That is the main thinking. That's why the form of the self-exploration is the form of the dialogues. And also the sermon of telling do's or don'ts. That is the main thing. We are doing the what good things, what are the bad things. That is the we are do things and don'ts things. That is also to exploration, self-exploration of the value education. That is also the process of value education. You can think of repeatedly I will tell you about the value education should drive a person towards self-exploration. The process of self-exploration has to be in the form of dialogues, what we are speaking in our mouth. What good things are bad things, bad words. We are not using the bad words in the society. At home also we are using good words. Like that, that is also to depending about the form of dialogues. What? The self-exploration. And also sermon is telling to do's and don'ts. What we are doing, what we are don't do things. Such a words are also the process of self-exploration. And about that, the self-exploration and process of value education, some basic elements we are following were the basic elements. What are the elements of process of value education? Here we have the first one is Living Value Education Program. That is LVEP. LVEP means Living Value Education Program. And second one is Human Values Foundation. The next element is Human Values Foundation. The third is Character Education. We are building with every student, every person, the character building. That is also we learn about the character education. And after that we mingle with science of living. These are the elements we can see the process of the value education. The first point, that is the LVEP. LVEP means Living Value Education Program. What is that? The Living Value Education Program, what is that? You can see this project is worldwide, inspired by religious movements. Why we are talking about the religious movements? We have to maintain the spiritual values and moralities. We have to spread these values. That is also the religious movement. That's why the LVEP is also the project worldwide inspired by new religious movement. That is called Brahma Kumari's World Spiritual University incorporates 12 values. In every university, every educational society, the human resource development is also to main focus on the value education in educational institutions. That's why the Ministry of HRD is also more focused on the value education. The first of all, the LVEP is introducing the project, the worldwide, what we are thinking about the living value education program, that is the spiritual university, the Brahma Kumaris World Spiritual University incorporate the 12 values. What are the 12 values? Here see, unity, peace, happiness, hope, humanity, simplicity, thirst, freedom, cooperation, honest, courage. These are the 12 values we are following in the Living Value Education Program. Why? Because these values are very important in the living the person. They can maintain the values in their own life. That's why the self-exploration, the process is to coming to self-exploration. That's why that is also, these are 12 values. The Brahma Kumaris Spiritual University incorporate the 12 values. What are these values? Unity, peace, happiness, hope, humility, simplicity, thirst, freedom, cooperation, honesty, courage and love. These are, we are maintained already. But why ma'am, we are also these values we are followed. But how much we are followed in these values? That's why the each and everyone, every education is also following these value education classes. That's why the LVEP, Living Value Education Program, is also incorporate the Brahma Kumari Spiritual University. These are 12 values. And also LVEP website list, we can see the website list. 54 countries, 54 countries, overall the world, 54 countries where value education project are undertaken. That's why this project is very proposal to everyone. That's why we are called to this is the worldwide project. Why? Because in 54 countries are included in the followed by the value education. This project is undertaken. That is the LVEP. That is the first element of process of value education. The second one is Human Values Foundation. What is the Human Values Foundation? Why? Which area we have to foundation of values in their life? That is also Human Values Foundation. In established 1995, available at worldwide. This is the Human Values Foundation, HVF. HVF. This is the program is established 1995. The worldwide, we can see the available at worldwide. This is the main program. This foundation is children 4 to 12 years. That is the children of the focus on the 4 to 12 years. The first program, they can entitle the Education Human Values. That is the main, the title of this program is Human Education Human Values. We can foundation of these 4 to 12 years children, and also they are teaching to techniques. What they are teaching to techniques, that is the storytelling and also quotations. Why we are giving the quotations and group singing. These are activities we are main focus on the value education class. That is the 4 to 12 years students, children's, the Education Human Values. The second program, that is the expanded to second program, that is the SEE. SEE means Social and Emotional Program. That is the SEE means social and emotional education. That is also to expand it. That is, the first one is education, human values. The next one is, the second program is social and emotional education. This is also to more focus on the 12 to 14 year students. That's why every student is back to track. That is the main focus. They can do better than back to track. That is they can also following these values. What are values we are followed by in the 4th years onwards, in child of 4 years we are developing their values up to 12, and up to 14 to 12 to 14 years we have to SEE program. That is also social and emotional education. This is also back to track. This is the second element of process of value education. The third one is character education. This is the very important element of our process of value education. Why? Because the self exploration, in that time we have to develop our personal and social beings. We have to develop our personal values, and being a society we have to look into the what we are doing, such a things that is good or bad. We are thinking about the mental and also physical. That is the character education. In these elements, the process is moral reasoning and cognitive development, skills education, health education, and also violence of prevention and critical thinking. These are more focused on to the character education. The content is also the content of the value education is also, the first one is character education. Why? Because the starting of the character education, in between, in 12 to 14 years before that, we have to look into our character building. In that time, the skills education and health education, and also to prevention of violence and critical thinking and moral reasoning and cognitive development. These are also to more focus on the process of value education, that is character education. The next one is science of living. The next element is science of living. Why is we are calling to science of living? That is the main thing is, that is the program complements in the current education to approach the spiritual values and also value-based learning program. We have to Jeevan and Vignan and add to third pillar of the emotional and also intelligence and morality. These are also included in the science and living. That is the main focus on the process of our individual, every process of value education. That is the to need for student growth, and also Jeevan Vignan adds to third pillar, that is the emotional intelligence and morality. And these are why we are thinking about these science of living. That is we have to look into the yogic exercises and meditations and also physical exercises we do for these activities like that. In that time, that is the science of living. We have to look into the process of value education. The meditation is a powerful to develop our individual self-exploration. Why? Because we have to not thinking the outworld of the world. We are only thinking about these main, what we are thinking, what we are using in yogic asanas and also in meditations. That is also we have to look into the science of living. These are the elements of the process of value education. This is a very important. The next video we are coming back to content of value education. That is a very important topic that you don't miss it. You never miss it my videos. Please subscribe my video and also share others. Don't forget the bell icon. Press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.